Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate 200 megapixel camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and by default 12 megapixel camera will be used. Okay, if you would like to use 200 megapixel, then yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on this 12M and you will find 200M here. This is 200 megapixel. Now take a photo and this will be of 200 megapixel. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate 200 megapixel camera on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. What you have to do is just you go to click here on 12M and you can find here 200 megapixel. Okay, 200 megapixel is available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate 200 megapixel camera on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.